Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up an email account in Microsoft Outlook using IMAP. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load in your existing emails and bring you to your main dashboard. Once everything has loaded and you can see your inbox, you're ready to begin the setup process. Now, to add a new email account using IMAP, you'll need to navigate to the control panel on your Windows computer. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type in Control Panel, then hit Enter. This will open the Control Panel window where you can access various system settings and configurations. Once the Control Panel has opened, look for the Mail option. This should be set to Microsoft Outlook by default and is typically represented by an envelope icon. Double-click on it to proceed. A small Mail setup window will appear on your screen, giving you access to email profile settings and configurations. From here, click on the Show Profiles button located at the bottom of the window. This will display all your current email profiles and allow you to manage them. Next, click on the Add button to begin configuring a new email account for your Outlook application. This is where you'll create a fresh profile specifically for the IMAP account you want to set up. A dialog box will appear asking you to enter a profile name. Type in any name you prefer for this email profile, something that helps you identify it easily. Then click on OK. After clicking OK, the Auto Account Setup window will appear. Here you'll need to toggle the Manual Setup radio button to gain full control over the configuration process. This ensures you can enter the IMAP settings correctly. Then click on Next to continue. On the next window, you'll see different service options. Select POP or IMAP from the list, then click Next again. This tells Outlook that you're setting up either a POP or IMAP account rather than using an Exchange server or other service types. Now, you'll see a form with several fields that need to be filled in. Enter your email address in the appropriate field, then add in the incoming mail server address and the outgoing mail server address. These details are usually provided by your email service provider. Next, enter your username and password in the designated fields. Make sure to change the account type from the drop-down menu to IMAP. This is a crucial step because it determines how your emails are managed and synced across devices. Once you've entered all the required information, click on Next. A verification process will begin where Outlook confirms all the details you've added. This may take a few moments as the system connects to your email servers and checks whether the settings are correct. Wait for this process to complete without interrupting it. And that's it. Once all the settings have been verified and configured, this email account will now be added to your Outlook app and you'll be able to send and receive emails using IMAP. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.